got the inflatable rear seat belts. And one thing to note, this is a bed cover, I think, that was used just for back here to cover something up. And so it's not a complete system here. So more than likely, service is going to remove this once it goes through the used car inspection, since it has not gone through that yet. So more than likely that will be gone, which is a good thing because it's honestly just kind of beat up. Got the blind spot radar in the tailgate, or into the tail lights. And it does have the clear bra on the edge, but it is peeling just a little bit here, so that's what that is. That can be removed. It also has the little door couplets clear bra in here, if you can see that. Has massaging seats. You have lots of different camera views. Navigation. And then you have the ambient lighting. So at night you'll see the cup holders glow and the door handles, I think, underneath the dash. Heated and cooled seats. And this is a non-smoker. All the auxiliary switches.